scent of fresh cut roses. Sales team nervous, striking all their poses. They bring out the samples, the velvet and lace. I can tell it's cheap just by looking at their face. I don't mean to be a diva or come off as rude, but I know what I want. Yeah, it's a whole mood. If we're gonna do it, gotta do it right. Perfection is the only thing inside my sight. You check the price tag, sweat on your brow, asking me, baby, do we need this now? I kiss you on the cheek, smooth out your tie. You know I'm worth it, looking in your eye. I got champagne taste. Yeah, I'm setting the bar, running right here, but aiming for the stars. I want the tower, I want the gold, the story of luxury waiting to be told. Price tag is heavy, but the feeling is right. Champagne taste, sparkling in the night.
Yeah,
we sparkle in the night.
She wants the orchids floating from the east. 5 course for the dinner or feast. I'm looking at the numbers, trying to do the math, but she looks so good walking down this path. It's an investment, that's what I say. Paying for the memories of our big day. Okay, get the cake, get the vintage wine. As long as you're happy, girl, I'm doing fine.
Sip it slow, let it flow.
We'll build in a castle,
putting on a show.
No generic style.
We work the extra mile. Champagne, champagne, champagne.
Put it on the card, I got it.